What month is it?
We are in the month of September. Yes, I don't know what the theme is.
Okay.
I know next month's theme, but I don't know this month's theme.
Okay.
So we'll find out when we open it.
Huh? What's this month's theme?
I don't know. Open it and find out.
September cat box. Ta-da! Ooh. We are joined by Perv, Cleo, Bailey, Willow, and Lily coming this way. And we have a cat in the window card. Yeah. Oh, okay. Is that what's in here?
Mm-hmm. I usually just dig in, but yes.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. Tells you everything.
Awesome. Now I know it's heavy.
Now you know it's heavy. Okay. Girls, he's breaking into the box without you.
Come in. Come on, Lil.
Go.
Oh, we got a t-shirt of some sort. Scarf. Let's open this up, see what this scarf looks like. Come on, Lil. Get up here. Come on, Bailey. Come on. Oh my goodness. Is that cat scarf? It's a big cat scarf.
Cool.
There you go, Lil. I knew you'd get in there. Oh, that's a huge scarf.
Cool.
Wow. That's pretty neat. All your kitties' faces. Ooh.
I like that.
Ooh.
Lily, you find your toy? Did you find your toy yet?
No, that's a bag.
Wait.
You want a toy? Okay, here's a toy. There is a toy right here. It is a flame toy.
She's like, no, no. Bailey's there though.
Where's flame? Flame?
It's a flame.
Flame toy.
Oh, bless you.
Ooh. Save the heavy one for last. Here's your catnip enthusiast. So it's a t-shirt for Bailey. That's purple.
I like that color.
Oh, really? You
Oh,
like purple?
cat nap enthusiast.
You like purple?
I do.
No way. I didn't realize that.
It's not cat
bad.
nip. Did you read it? It's cat
It's
nap.
Cat nap. That's what I said.
Uh,
Black cats.
that's next box. The theme. Yeah,
Black
that's the
cats
best
is
one.
next month.
Yeah, October, the black cat box.
Something else in here, guys. Oh, my goodness. It is a Kara the Crow. You want a toy? Her?
She just walked under the.
Excuse me. Oh, and we have the ceramic bowl set.
Oh,
Her, your new bed. Your new bed.
ceramic bowl set, huh? Is it for them or is it for me?
Well, I believe since it's a cat thing, you got two cat things, it's probably for them. Unless maybe it's cereal bowls, but I don't think so. I like feed bowls. Food bowls, water bowls. This is one. Two. I don't thought it would be a cereal bowl, but
Cool.
alright, I believe that's it. Oh.
Until next month for the black cat box. There's Lily, Miss Cleo, mess on the table. Next month, see ya.